Hello there, we just got done watching the movie Wonka from 2023. It's rated PG. It's an hour and 57 minutes long. Experience the story of how the world's greatest inventor, magician, and chocolate maker became the beloved Willy Wonka we know today. I thought this was a really cute movie. It's fantasy / comedy. What did you think of it, Lisa?
Yeah, I enjoyed it. It's worth a watch.
Yeah, it's a musical.
Yeah.
I would give it 4 out of 5 stars. I thought it was done well, and it definitely sets up for there to be future movies to go, into the story more and
I'm excited to see
into the characters more. So, yeah, and I'm hoping in future they bring other characters from this one back.
Yeah, same. Yeah.
Definitely appropriate for any age. I didn't see anything in it that would have been sensitive for any specific age.
Yeah, it was a good family little musical.
There's some noticeable CGI in one specific part of the movie, but it didn't really ruin anything for me. Yeah, I would recommend it. If you've seen Wonka, let me know what your thoughts are on it in the comment section. And if you had not seen Wonka, I will link it below or pin it below. And if you want, you can check that out. And if you do, that actually helps support my channel because it's an affiliated link. But yeah, I'd say it's worth watching at least once, right?
Oh, yeah, for sure.
Thanks so much for watching this, and we'll see you in the next one.